We're free!
It's a little squall over us, we'll probably get wet. But other than that, it is beautiful. We've been at the Caicos Marina for a week, waiting on shipments and of course fixing a few things on Gargoyle. But now our to-do list is done, the winds have calmed down, and now we're headed out to explore the west side of the Caicos Islands. So today the crew is going to have a leisurely sail through the bank following the Sandbore Channel over to our first stop, West Caicos, where we will anchor and then do some exploring. Give me your sexy pose!
A sexy pose.
Come on. Yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, there we go. The crew is exhausted. They pulled out all the sails and now they're having a little nap. And we are sailing for the first time in close to a month. It feels so good. Is on our butt, so we're going to do a little motoring here just to get out of the reef. We've got about 2.5 nautical miles, and we're going to go past the Sandbore Shoal through the markers, and then we'll be out in 2,000 feet, and we will say goodbye to the Caicos Bank. Boat is, because someone's always got a bigger one.
That's a pretty boat.
She's pretty. We exit the bank, but before we turn to enter Pony Channel to gain access to the West Caicos anchorage, the captain decides to try his luck with Neptune and see what he might be able to catch for dinner. Master fisherman here, fighting the fish.
He's not in the boat yet, whatever it is. Oh man, he took off and he ran though. Jesus, he peeled 100 feet of 200 feet of line off this reel like it was no tomorrow. Look at that. Oh, there he goes again. Oh, he doesn't like this. It's a tuna?
Look, yeah, it's a tuna, isn't it?
Yeah. Look at that.
Perfect size for dinner. What's that, huh?
Snake fish.
I think the consensus is she likes it in a can better. And he's like a warrior. What do you think, Dean? You need some fresh fish? Yeah, it's a little helper here. Alright, we are coming into Pony Cut at the very tip of West Caicos. You can see the reef breaking over here. Kevin's going to do a little turn. So we just have to cut between the reef and the rocks, and we're going to go anchor over here. This is pretty spectacular. Alright, tell me when you want to drop.
Give me 1 second, I'll spin this back into the wind here. I'm ready.
Dropping. Good morning. Beautiful morning here. Everybody's up and alive. Look. Kevin's on a mission this morning on the forward deck. He's practicing his yoga.
So today is exploration day. We are going to take the dinghy, me and the missus, and we are going to go explore West Caicos and the beach. It's an unexplored, no, it is an uninhabited island. So we're gonna go check out the beach, man. Beach landing. That's the plan. I'm gonna video this because Carla's going in the water, I think.
No, she pumped up the dinghy this morning.
She did, man. I got like a hard tube up. Whoa! Oh, there she almost went. Oh, it was a near one.
So not.
She has gone in the water before.
Hold it. Did you put my phone in the bag?
Nope. Did you? You brought the bag. Why would I put your phone in the bag, knucklehead?
Of course I put the phone in the bag.
Wait, did you put my phone in the bag? So we've come ashore here on West Caicos Island, as you can see behind me. Gargoyle's back in the background back there, I believe, if we can see it. And then Carla's back here doing some dinghy line cleanup. We've beached. West Caicos is an uninhabited island. There she is. Is an uninhabited island. They started a resort, I believe it was called Molasses Bay, that was going to be part of the Ritz-Carlton family, and then they ran out of money, I guess. There she is. Where is she? She's back there somewhere. We're coming down here to see. Maybe there's a bar here on the island. There's lots of little crab spiders all over the place. Nope, nothing on there. I'm coming back down to the beach because this sand is like really hard to walk in up on high. Okay, I'm gonna hand the camera off to Carla.
Lesson number 1. Always make sure your dinghy is far enough up the shore. Luckily, we have an anchor on it. All right, mission rescue dinghy.
Carla's going inland because she was smart and brought shoes and I did not.
Here are the digs on West Caicos. This west coast is lined with 5 miles of pristine beach, and Kevin is correct. Here, the construction of the Ritz-Carlton Molasses Reef Resort and Marina was started in 2006. However, shortly after, due to financial issues, construction was indefinitely put on hold, and now it's being demolished. West Caicos is the last island in the Turks and Caicos archipelago to the west, and the second largest uninhabited island in the country. It also includes the West Caicos Marine National Park, which protects a large portion of the waters around the island. Due to the distance from Provo, this island can be difficult to get to, and it's a great way to get away from the tourists and enjoy the peace and quiet. Forgot his shoes. You're walking on a deserted island, and all of a sudden you start to think about, I wonder if there's bears here, or like wild jaguars. but they're probably not. Anyways, I'm gonna take a little detour here, get a little bit closer to this resort, and I'm heading back to the beach. It's really not like a deserted island because there wouldn't be roads. All right, I better head back, otherwise Kevin's gonna send the cavalry. Oh my God, he left me. Our next trip is over there. We're gonna go check out the marina, and squirrel. We're gonna go check out the marina. Not too sure what he's doing, but I think he's coming back. Well, maybe he's not. I don't know. Here he comes.
Jumping in, is that the plan?
Yeah, I'll hold you up. I have nasty burrs all over my shoes. Glad those aren't on my feet.
That's why I didn't go. I've spent my entire first 57 years of my life on land. I don't need to return to it for another 57. That's my theory. That's a coral head.
At the end of the beach is an abandoned basin and the start of a marina which was to be integrated with the exclusive Ritz-Carlton, so we head out in Griffin to check it out. Rumor has it you're free to anchor here at any time, and after we enter with the dinghy, we have determined there's enough depth and space for Gargoyle. The docks all along the shoreline are in disrepair, and it's hard to know what lies in the bottom of this harbor. So we decide we prefer the open water. Plus, you're not allowed to go on shore in this area, so a quick dinghy tour and then we're off. So we think these are like little shacks for the people that are working on the island during the week. And obviously they brought some roosters with them to keep them company. That's a cell tower right there, but it's got really good cell service.
Oh yeah.
Must be running generators, I guess,
Yeah.
eh?
Definitely would be.
Navigational buoy on land there, so the red one must be on the other side.
Yeah, keep it between the navigational markers.
Yes. Another quick tour of the beaches along the island and then home. We can see the winds are slowly starting to pick up again. What you up to, Captain Kevin?
Well, we're just back from West Caicos and the winds are starting to pick up, so we're going to watch things tonight and then potentially move to someplace that's a little better. And in the meantime though, it's movie night tonight. So I'm making popcorn, we're going to open a bottle of wine, and we're going to watch a movie.
Wanted to come up and play? Okay.